So today I'll be showing you how to make your fingerprint faster on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, the easiest way to make your fingerprint faster is to have it collect as much data as possible. And to do this, you want to first register your fingerprint with a landscape in tablet mode or in landscape mode, as you can see. And then instead of tapping on done, tap on add. And then now you can grab your tablet and put it in portrait mode like this. Okay. And then register your fingerprint like this as well. And once you have two fingers or two fingerprints recorded of the same finger, then now you can tap on done. And now your fingerprint should be much faster because it has more data to work with. Should be a bit more faster. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.